Introducing A/B testing, a must-have feature if you care about your business growth. A/B testing provides deeper insights into customer behavior, helping you make informed decisions and ultimately turning visitors into paying customers. But what exactly is A/B testing? A/B testing is a powerful method for comparing two versions of a web page to determine which one performs better. It's a data-driven approach to optimizing your store's conversion rate. Imagine you have two versions of your product page, one with a red Add to Cart button and another with a green one. Instead of guessing which will lead to more sales, A/B testing allows you to test both versions with real visitors. The insights you gain from this data are invaluable. Sounds too good to be true? Right now, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up A/B testing in Beae Page Builder and creating your first campaign to start optimizing your sales. To get started, we need to go through 3 steps. Thankfully, Beae makes it super easy to set up. When you first land on the A/B testing tab, you will see the Google Analytics setting. If you don't have a Google Analytics account yet, don't worry. You can create one by following the tutorial linked in the description below. When you click the Connect to Google Analytics button, it will take you to the Analytics settings. Click the Login button and choose the Google account linked to Google Analytics. Hit Continue. This is very important. You need to check all these boxes for the Analytics feature to work. One thing to note is that we don't collect any of your data. All data is collected by Google. Once you've checked all the boxes, hit Continue, and the Analytics settings window will appear. Now, select an account, property, and data stream. Then hit Save to continue. Head over to the A/B testing tab. Now, you'll see that we need to enable the Beae theme helper. This step is required for Analytics to work. Click on the 3rd step, then hit the Enable Helper button. Now, we can start creating our first A/B testing campaign by clicking the Add First Campaign button. The first step is selecting the template you want to test. Select Variant A, and a window will appear. You have the option to test pages from your Shopify theme template or Beae template. You can test the home page, Shopify page, product page, or collection page. I'll select the product templates I want to test for Variant A and Variant B. Next, you may want to set the traffic ratio for variants. The default value is set to 50/50%. This means that if your product page shows up 100 times a day, 50 times it will be Variant A, and 50 times it will be Variant B. I recommend leaving the default value as is for your first campaign. But if you want to change it, you can do so by simply sliding the slider to adjust the value for each variant. Next, give your campaign a meaningful name. The next option is choosing the device type you want to run the campaign on. You may also need to specify which type of visitor you want to target. Once you're done, scroll up and hit the Save button. Now, you'll see the campaign we just created listed in the A/B testing tab, but it's not running yet. To start the campaign, simply click the Start button in the Actions column. Now that you know how to create and set up a campaign, let's look at the actual analytics dashboard of a campaign. I'll show you a campaign that has been running for a while so you can see the data. At first, it may seem overwhelming, but I'll break it down step by step. On the left side, we have a side-by-side comparison of the two variants. You can see a preview of the templates, traffic funnel, and traffic by channel, which shows where the variant's traffic comes from. You can also view access by device and even compare variants by country. On the right side, we have the campaign overview, which includes crucial metrics like add to cart rate, click-through rate, and bounce rate. You can see what each metric represents by hovering over it, and a tooltip will provide details. At the bottom, you'll find detailed statistics on add to cart actions, click-through rate, and session data. What if you want to stop the campaign after determining the winning variant? Simply click the Stop Campaign button at the top right of the Analytics dashboard. Remember, once you stop the campaign, you cannot resume it. If you want to pause the campaign and resume it later, head over to the A/B testing tab. In the Actions column, hit Pause if the campaign is running or Start if it's paused. If you've watched until this point, remember to hit the like and subscribe button so you get notified when we release new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.